Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a company that's been making a lot of noise in the tech world lately. Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a cloud-based software company that provides a range of tools for project management and collaboration. The company has been growing rapidly in recent years, and its stock price has more than tripled in the past year. So, you're probably wondering, how much cash does Smartsheet have? Well, I'm going to answer that question for you in this video. But first, I want to give you a little bit of background on the company. Smartsheet background. Smartsheet was founded in 2006 by Scott and Kristen Dinsmore. The company is headquartered in San Francisco, California. Smartsheet offers a variety of products, including Smartsheet, a drag-and-drop spreadsheet that can be used to manage projects, tasks, and workflows. Smartsheet Automation, a tool that can be used to automate repetitive tasks. Smartsheet Forms, a tool that can be used to create online forms. Smartsheet Reports, a tool that can be used to create reports from Smartsheet data. Smartsheet has a large and growing customer base, which includes companies such as Adobe, Amazon, and Microsoft. Smartsheet's financial performance. Smartsheet has been growing rapidly in recent years. The company's revenue has more than doubled in each of the past 3 years. Smartsheet is also profitable. The company has reported net income in each of the past 3 years. As of September 30, 2021, Smartsheet had $1.1 billion in cash and cash equivalents. How much cash does Smartsheet have? So, now that we have some background on Smartsheet, let's answer the question. How much cash does Smartsheet have? As of September 30, 2021, Smartsheet had $1.1 billion in cash and cash equivalents. This is a significant amount of money, and it gives the company a strong financial position. Smartsheet's cash and cash equivalents can be used to invest in growth initiatives, make acquisitions, pay down debt, return cash to shareholders. Smartsheet is a growing and profitable company with a strong financial position. The company has a large and growing customer base, and it is well-positioned to continue its growth in the years to come. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on learning.